Well, this is quite a day today. They say in every life there's a little rain must come, or something like that. And boy, today it's coming down in buckets. We look out the window of the RV and holy crow. But the interesting thing, or the nice thing is, we're parked not that far from a river, and the water's coming down and down and down. Wow. Nobody else is in the parking lot, and we can see the cars and the trucks driving on the highway up above, and think, oh, we're nice and warm down here. We got the furnace on, we got the generator on, and my battery is just about dead on the camera. I'm hoping we're going to continue on. Need to charge it up. Anyway, we got a little bit of stuff done yesterday. We got a lot of stuff that was in motorhome. Oops. Well, here we are again. New battery. So that works a lot better. Anyway, there's Bree sitting in the driver's seat, and she's all anxious to get rocking and rolling, I see. She hasn't turned the GPS on yet, so she's not exactly sure where she's going, but she's ready. Anyway, it's going to show you the inside of the RV now, and let you take a look at what we've accomplished so far. We're still putting stuff together, but it's not near as bad as it was. We can now sort of breathe in here. We've got the slide out, and there's some things that have to be done. Oh, there's my camera case, and there's June busy over there working away there.
Good morning.
Yeah.
I'm playing some cards.
And we have the octopus sitting on the kitchen table there with all the cords and stuff. Yeah, batteries being charged up, the laptop being charged, everything's there. Anyway, this is today. Yesterday was a terrible day. We went up to storage and we couldn't get into the storage because the lock wasn't working right, and oh man. And so then we just kept on and on and on. What a day yesterday was. Then we get everything put into storage finally. And once it was put in, then we sat and relaxed. We had a beautiful pizza, one of the nicest pizzas I've had in a long time. Thick, weighed a cotton picking ton. And I was so stuffed. I just wanted to find a place to hole up and go to sleep. And yeah, we did go to bed early. And then to wake up to this. It's not a bad little campground. We're the only ones here. And the fellow that looks after the campground, he came around to say hello, and he's from way up in northern Alberta. 5-hour drive to get down here to check on his campsite. He looks after 5 of them, I think he said. But yeah, we're not exactly sure if we want to drive today or not. It's not bad, but
We want to drive out of the rain.
we might want to get drive a while to see if we can get out of this rain. I don't know if it's going to be raining for 40 days and 40 nights, but we'll see. We haven't got water wings on this big bus, so I'm not sure what we'd do if it started raining that bad. Anyway, that's it for today. That's sort of our latest episode in our travels. At least we're getting closer to being able to start videos. It's close. This one here I'm going to start compiling, and then all we have to do is find a place where we can get video, and we'll upload it to our site and show you our adventures so far. Anyway, no major breakdowns. So everything's cool. Anyway, hope you folks enjoy this and have yourself a great day. Bye for now.
Hello everyone, here we are. We are at the top of what's called the Salmo-Creston Hill. Gary's just come in with the dog. Yeah, snow. That's it. Snow. This is 1,774 meters. If you multiply that times 30 inches and divide by 12, you'll get feet. Anyway, it was a tough run up, but the old girl made it. Sorry, I'm sitting in my seat and it's probably a little shaky, but yeah. Anyway, I don't get out in these places because it's too hard for me. So, yeah. Gary's going to take the camera and go outside and show you a little bit more, I think. I think that's the plan. But I just thought I'd show you what I see out the window. I'm not really happy, but, you know, it's snow. We've had rain and rain and more rain. And now we're in snow. Oh, sorry. I swung that a little quick. Anyway, now we're in snow country. And, yeah, now we got to go down the hill. And this is a really steep grade, which is why we're allowing the vehicle to cool down quite a lot. There's the driver. Hi, Bree. Hi. How's it, girl? Oh, look at you coming over to the camera. Aren't you a beauty? Hey? How's that girl? Oh, yeah. Yeah. She's settled in quite well. Likes the place. She's not really sure what we're doing, but she's happy being with us. And as long as we're together, she doesn't care. Alright, I'm going to shut this off and let Gary have a go with it, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.
Look at the snow on the mountain here. Holy moly. I thought this was in May, but maybe not. It looks more like it could be in December. Here's the snowbanks here that they, when they plow out the brake check, they throw all the snow over on the side. There's a lake on the other side, but it's solid ice at the moment. I thought it would not be this much snow up here. Well, here we are again. Oh, Bree's having fun. She's rolling around in the dirt. Oh, she'll need a vacuum by the time she gets inside again. Well, as you can see, we have no snow. Look at this. My last little short video was up on the top of the hill, and this is what it looks like down here. We drove for a little over 11 hours today. I think I'm getting old. I can't do 11-hour shifts anymore. We went up and down some darn many hills that, man, oh man, I was feeling like a goat, Billy Goat. Well, we're in basically downtown, where are we? Greenwood. And there's the downtown area way off in the distance. It's a nice little place. We stayed here 8 years ago in another motorhome, and it was kind of fun, but not as nice as this. They've changed it a little bit in here. They're making another part of the park in there. There's no camping across the way there, but that's alright. We're in a parking lot where the trucks park, and that works for us too. Oh, there's another sign I see. Okay. I think that one says no overnight parking too. So I guess we'll have to move on a little bit somewhere else. They're not very friendly, some of these small towns, for people that are wanting to boondock. Anyway, that's what it's all about out here. Tomorrow we'll be up at Kelowna, and we'll see what happens up there. We'll be able to get June's little scooter, and we'll go from there. Anyway, we're not going to freeze to death tonight with, what do you call it, having snow on the ground like it was up at the top of that hill. Anyway, hope everyone's having a great time out there, and we're having a great time here. June's playing with her Nintendo game, and we're just kind of chilling out tonight. Anyway, that's about it for May the 8th. Bye for now.